Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve investment returns with SoFi easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your investment returns with SoFi, start by visiting the SoFi website or downloading the app. Create a free account if you haven't already. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, email, and investment goals. Once your account is set up, navigate to the investment section. Explore the various investment options available. SoFi offers options like stocks, ETFs, and automated investing. Consider your risk tolerance before selecting your investment type. Use the funds from your bank account to transfer money into your SoFi investment account. Take advantage of SoFi's active investing feature to trade individual stocks. Research potential stocks thoroughly using the provided tools and resources. Look for companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. If you prefer a hands-off approach, choose SoFi's automated investing feature. Set your risk preferences and let SoFi's algorithms work for you. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of assets to reduce risk. Review your investments regularly to adjust your strategy as needed. Utilize SoFi's resources for continuous education on market trends. Stay updated with financial news and analysis to make informed decisions. Consider making periodic investments rather than investing a lump sum. This dollar-cost averaging strategy can help mitigate market volatility. Monitor your investment's performance using SoFi's easy-to-use dashboard. Take note of any fees associated with transactions to maximize your returns. Engage with SoFi's community for insights and tips from other investors. When it's time to sell, use the platform's tools to execute your trades efficiently. Reinvest profits to compound your returns over time. This strategic approach can significantly enhance your investment results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.